Salutations, everybody. Welcome back to Mr. Teddy's Pre-K. Today, we're going to read a Dr. Seuss book. And after we read it, we're going to go back and talk about the colors and the numbers that were in the book. Now, this is one of my grandchildren's favorite books in all the world because it has little fish on top that you can move as you count. Let's read it together. It's called Dr. Seuss's One Fish, Two Fish, Three, Four, Five Fish. And if you look at the front cover, you see different colored fish right here. I see pink, green, red, and blue. And on top of the book, it has those little fish that you can either say their colors or you can count. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little fish on top. And their colors are yellow, blue, red, green, and pink. Let's look at this book together, friends. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. I see one pink fish. Just like on top of our book, we had one pink fish. I see two green fish. Do you see the set of two fish? And that's what these words say. It says two fish, red fish, blue fish. The red fish matches this fish right on top. And the blue fish matches this one, although that's sort of a light blue, isn't it? Next page. Black fish, blue fish, old fish, new fish. Look at that old fish up close. See, he's got some glasses to help him see. He's got a few wrinkles and a long beard. But the new fish is a baby. Do you see him in his little carriage? How cute. 3 fish, 4 fish. If you saw the last video we did where we talked about subitizing, that meant looking at a group of something and saying how many. Can we subitize this red set? Yes, we can. Ready, set, go. 3. Let's subitize the blue fish. Ready, set, go. 4. Good job. Here come more fish. What color are these fish, friends? Did you say green? If you said green, you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that time I counted. I didn't subitize. I counted. That means touching a fish and saying a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish. This one has a little star. Do you see the star on his belly? Say, what a lot of fish there are. How many fish do you see in this set, my friends? You might be able to subitize it, but let's count this set. Get your counting finger ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And their colors are yellow. Say yellow. Green, red, pink, and blue. That's the same 5 colors that are on top of our book. There's yellow, blue, red, green, and pink. Next page. 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4 fish, 5 fish. Do you see how the set gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger? The yellow fish have the biggest amount in their set. They have 5. This one has a car to drive. Have you ever seen a fish driving a car? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And look, that's the end of our book. Dr. Seuss's 1 fish, 2 fish, 3, 4, 5 fish. Now let's go back and look at the book and review the colors and the numbers that we saw. Okay, let's look on this first page. Do you remember what color this fish was? If you said blue, you're right. I've got a blue rectangle, and I've got a little friend that's also very famous, and he is blue. It's Blue for Blue's Clues. Do you know Blue? All right, let's look at another page. Here's some more fish that are different colors. What color is that old fish, friends? Can you tell? If you said yellow, you're right. I've got a yellow rectangle here, and I've got a friend that you might know, and his body is yellow too. It's Pluto. Do you know Pluto the dog? His color is yellow. Let's keep going. Next page, we had some red fish, blue fish, and then we had a set of 5 green fish. I've got a green rectangle here. Do you see my green rectangle? And I've got somebody else that's very famous who is green. You might know him, you might not. He's from a long time ago when I was a little girl. Do you know this green guy, everybody? His name is Gumby, and his color is green. Good job, good job. Let's look at one more page in this Dr. Seuss book. I see a pink fish. I see a green car. Let's look for some numbers now, shall we? Let's go back, open up our book. No, I see number words. That word says 3. But let's look for the number or the numeral 3. Don't see any 3s. Here's a 3. Do you see my number 3 right there? Let's look on this little number line and tell me to stop when I get to number 3. Ready? No. No. Ding! There it is, number 3. Let's find some more colors that we haven't talked about, my friends. Let's look at Dumbo. Do you know Dumbo? Can you tell what color his body is? He's an elephant. His color is gray, and his hat is yellow. Oh, I bet you know this little friend. Who is this? Do you know Minnie Mouse? Minnie Mouse has black ears. And what color is her bow? Look very closely. Do you see red with white dots? Her bow is red, and her shoes are yellow. You can find colors and numbers all around, my friends, but books are a great way to find them. There was a fish in that book, and it was right here on the front cover. Do you see it? And there's also one the same color right here. Do you know what color that is? If you said pink, you're right. Pink, pink, like the color or the little friend named Magenta from Blue's Clues. Her body is pink. Good job, my friends. Let's go over our colors one more time. Ready? Say blue. Good job. What color is this? Did you say green? Good job. What color is this? Now that color wasn't in our Dr. Seuss book, but it's purple. If you said purple, you're right. What about this one? It's pink and orange. Good job, my friends. Just a little practice on colors and numbers using this Dr. Seuss book. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you come back next time to Mr. Teddy's Pre-K. Bye, my friends.